Hello, people of the tubes.
Hello and welcome to Game Squid.
I gave Harry homework to color the blocks red when you shoot them, but it seems like you have a syntax error right now, so we can't see how that worked out.
Yeah, I'll go get rid of that syntax error.
I did, I
Delete
did
those two
help.
lines.
I did help you by giving you that code right there.
Yeah, and I utilized it, kind of.
Poorly it seems.
Hey, I mean, at least I got them to turn red.
After you hit them twice.
I know, I need to change a thing to 3.
Yeah, you do, but that's not the
Ridiculous.
thing you should change. In fact, well, anyways, here, gaze upon this code that colors a thing red.
Boom,
Viewers.
boom. See? There.
Yeah, that works. The code. Show them the code, damn you.
It's
There.
literally just this.
Yes, well, never mind that HP smaller than 3 because that's kind of stupid. But the point is that getComponent renderer gets the render and then it has a material and a color and then there's such a thing as a color type and you can use color.red to color it red, I guess.
Wow, you really like to bash my feelings.
Sorry. Well, yeah, anyways. Now delete that and copy that part. Yeah. Oh my god, my phone.
And the if statement as well.
Yes, the if statement as well. I gotta take this, be right back.
Okay. Whoa, guys, it's just me. Hello. I'm great at commenting by myself. Hey, check out my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Thank you. I do Let's Plays. I'm a sellout. Yep. Thank you. Subscribe. He'll be back eventually. Right now, let's show you just some other scripts that I have done nothing to. Here we have the on-trigger stay, which, if you didn't see in the last episode, this is where we made it so whenever the pellets broke something... Oh, great, he's back.
I'm back.
You are back.
Yes, so anyways, that's the code that you need is the code with the where it reduces the health. You see?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
That's not that code.
Oh,
That code where it does that, that's where you also color it red from there.
oh.
Can you find where that code is?
No.
Really? It's in bullets.
Oh, wait.
That's where it reduces health.
Here it is.
Yeah, that's it. Now, how do you think we can apply it here so it does that? No. You fool. Now you've lost the copy of the renderer component. Damn it.
Well,
Look, there's nothing going to be in the cube health for now.
Boom, got it back.
Yes, you did. Now remove it again.
Eee. And I accidentally removed the wrong thing. There we go.
Yes, one more bracket too much, and then go to the bullets. Now what do you see?
I see if collider.gameObject.getComponent.cubeHealth.hp is less than 0, then it destroys the object.
Yes, so now how do you think we can imply a code here that colors the cube red?
Well, we could take this line again and set this to 3.
Don't copy anything.
Oh, okay.
No. Well,
am I making a new if statement?
actually no, because the health is irrelevant. At any point you're gonna color it red, right? So there's no if statement. It's just as soon as this on trigger is called, it'll color the cube red.
Oh, okay. So like, function dot on trigger. Is that a thing that I can do on?
No, man, I keep telling you, it's in that function that you were just in. Right here. This is where you color it red.
Oh, I put it in here. That's what.
Well, no, that's the way it destroys it. It'd be pointless to color it red when you destroy it.
Ugh, you're speaking circles.
Well, why don't you just paste the code that I told you to paste? But not in there.
Oh my gosh.
As I was just telling you, oh my
There.
god, dude, really? That's the only two things they can think of.
No? Yes?
No, I told you it's not in cube health, alright?
So if it's not cube health and it's not in bullets, then it must be.
It's in bullets, I told you it's in bullets.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I'm tired. It's in here, isn't it?
No, man. It's in on trigger state, but it's just not in the if, because the if checks if the health is lower than 0, you see?
Oh. No.
Yes, well now that's also pointless because, well, I suppose as it is now, because now it would just color the bullets red as soon as you destroy them.
Obviously.
So how do you make it target the cube instead of the bullets?
Hmm. Well, getComponent.
Nope, you'll need that semicolon.
Wait, I don't. Not yet, at least.
No, red is definitely the color. There's nothing you need to change about the red.
I'm Florian. I got up like 20 minutes ago.
I'm sorry.
It's like 12 o'clock for you.
Oh yeah. Well, how do you get the game object of the cube? You
Well,
know this already.
um, game object dot cube. No.
Almost. What do you know about the what do you
the
know
cube
about the
is?
cube in this case?
It is a cube.
Sigh. No, it's the thing that you collide it with, right?
Oh, game object dot.
Because this functionally gets called when you collide with something.
Oh. So game object dot.
Look, you're already accessing the cube when you destroy it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how do you access it then?
Okay. So you don't need that.
No, you'll need something there.
Oh. Hmm. Will it be game object that I need here?
Yes.
Capital or lowercase?
Lowercase, in fact.
Okay. Game object dot. What's in here that I can use? Get component. I'm guessing.
No, actually, you already have the component.
Ah!
The component you have is in fact the collider.
So
That
is
the
it literally just game object dot get component renderer?
No, it's actually collider.gameObject.
Oh my gosh.
The same exact line that you use in the destroy, you see?
Um.
Non-capital collider. And now if you press save, then the game will look exactly as it did.
Oh, I don't see any errors.
Because they'll turn red as they get hit.
But
Regardless of their health, that is.
Okay, but now
Seems
they
to
just
look
kind of
different.
stay red.
Well, yes, that's what they used to do. Now, how do you think you turn them to not stay red?
Well, I just destroyed that one.
Indeed, you monster.
Oh, this is interesting.
Now,
These aren't even going to be in the final product, yet they're our most important thing for the first, like, 10 episodes.
well, everything's gonna flash red. These might just be asteroids or something, or you could turn them into spaceships or anything, really.
Square steroids.
Indeed.
Okay.
Anyways, where do you think you'll put the code to uncolor it red?
In the if statement? No. That's to check if it's dead or not.
Yes, well, how likely do you think that the code will be here?
Kind of.
Completely unlikely, in fact, because you only call this when you hit the object. So as
So-
soon as the object is hit and the bullet is destroyed, this code will not be called anymore.
So, do we put into here then?
Yes, now color it white.
Okay. Like, make a new void? Or
No?
just like this?
Yeah,
Oh,
pretty much.
wait.
Now you will see that it will either not go red at all, or it will
Have an error.
it will go red for just a split second and then go back to white.
Nope.
Yes, that's as I thought. It would not go red at all.
I was thinking, why would it flash? Because they're both, like, activating at the same time.
Well, yes, apparently the update activates after the
On
on trigger stay activates. Therefore, it overrides the red status immediately instead of after a while. So, how do you set it up to have a timer when it goes back to white?
No, I could go right here and make a wait 4 seconds.
That is ridiculous.
Well, here, let's just try it.
Nope, that's just gonna make things laggy.
Well, no, well, and it creates compiler errors because it didn't even put in a semicolon.
That's right. Well, actually, you could either create a variable that is a timer of sorts or whatever. Well, it would be a float or an int, but it would act as a timer, and then you count it down, and when it reaches zero, then you call it white. You see, and you change the value of that integer to like 10 when you get hit. But that's actually not what we'll do today. In fact, this time we're going to make it slowly turn back to white, and then that way you can actually see that it has been red, but it goes slowly back to white. And the way we do that is by using lerp.
LARP?
Yes, remove that. We're in the line with the code color white. Now copy the whole color that we have. Now that's an equation. Are you gonna? Okay, so wait, let me look that up for a second. But you're gonna need the thing that you have there already and change it.
No. Change it to what?
Well, I mean, you need the whole get component renderer dot material dot color. You need that twice in there.
Okay.
Wait, I had this open already. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, it's color dot lerp is what you need. And that is a function. Oh, on the same line. I meant you need this on the same line.
Oh.
Anyways, right, instead of color white, we're gonna write this. We're gonna say color.lerp. That's it. And that means it's a slow transition from one color to the other. Do you know what color what colors you're going to be using as arguments of this function?
Red and white?
Yes, but well, actually, no. It's in fact the current color and the color white, you see. Because if you use red, you just constantly get a pink color. But now you're going to use the current color, and that way it's going to get whiter with every frame.
Okay.
Yes, so use the whole thing. Insert the current color into the function lerp.
Wait, so...
Yes, parentheses. Very good, almost. Except for the fact that the equals will be a comma in this case.
Not a dot A.
That's
Comma.
it. Now let's see if that gives you any errors or not.
Yes.
Yes, it does. Okay, in that case, we're going to need a additional number in the lerp. Just put 0.1 in as the third argument.
So, like, that.
Yes, 0.1. F.
What a good argument. Case. And for some reason, this is gone.
Yes.
Let's just put that back there.
Weirdly, it changes. When you write something, the font seems to change. I think you didn't save. Oh,
No.
never mind. It just takes forever. Wow, it takes forever and it's like 3 codes and a few cubes. Well, let's see. Ooh!
Yay, we did it.
Indeed, it's flashing. Look at that. Amazing.
My math teacher is going to be so proud of me.
Oh, yes. I'm sure you can tell him how LARPing works now.
Yep. He's always wanted to know.
Now, what have you learned about LARPing?
I have learned that it's a transition between two colors.
Yes. What do you guess that the last argument means?
It's turning back to a very light shade, like a very, very light shade of black.
Um, no.
No.
Actually, the last argument tells you how fast the LARPing goes. So if you say one, it'll be I'm actually not entirely sure, but it's definitely going to be 10 times faster than it is. So I'm assuming that you'd want an even lower number. I think it's just going to be instant white now again, like it was. So no red at all.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. So you're going to make an even lower number, and then it would turn back much slower. One more zero there. Now let's see that.
No, either would take 10 times. Yeah, 10 times as much. Okay.
Yeah, see now it's going very slowly back. I guess it looked better before.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sure did look better.
I think I'll turn it to like 0.05. Because I thought it went a little bit too fast.
Yeah.
Let's just find the speed to my liking.
Mm.
Boom. Boom.
Ooh,
Yeah, I like that. That's more dynamic.
highly dynamic.
We should make it next time. We should make like a skybox or something. But then again, that's not what you do, is it?
Not really. Maybe you should do it in your homework to make it more visually appealing.
Make something that I never taught you about.
Well, it's fairly simple to make a skybox, I'm sure. You just need a texture and a skybox gizmo.
And the skybox gizmo.
Yes, it
Okay.
is in fact called a gizmo, I think, in this. Anyways.
This is gonna have to be a fast video because it's time for me to go.
Oh yes, well, I guess if you want to, you could still make them all be locked on the same C-axis or
Well,
not.
how long will that take?
I don't know. Very quickly, go into any of the objects. No, it's actually in Unity.
Oh. Or we could just go into all of them.
Yes, let's see. What do we have here? Constraints in rigid body.
Constraints.
That's it. Freeze position C. Oh, not rotation though.
Oh, so now they'll never fly away, maybe?
Yes, but you might, so you'd have to lock the spaceship as well. Well, they won't fly into the foreground for one thing.
Finally.
But now you've flown. No, you haven't flown in the foreground yet. There you go. It's almost much better now.
Die, cubes, die. Now you can actually kill them.
Yes. How did that capsule hit something and not trigger a trigger? That's odd. Oh well. Anyways, do you think it would be better to be facing upwards all the time, or do you think it would be better if you could change your rotation and go in every direction?
I would like that. Make it sort of a 3D space shooter.
Well, I think it'd be 2D, but you can turn left and right, so and there'd be things coming from all sides. Either that or the things come all from top. I suppose either would be fine.
Yeah, I guess. Well, shall we end it?
Yes, subscribe for more.